Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to be going over Apple's new lineup. Is it genius or is it stupid? Let's hit the intro. All right, guys, and here to discuss with me today, I have a special guest.
Hey guys, it's BlackButterfly from YouTube.
And Twitch.
And Twitch, yes, and you can call me by the name Tia.
So, Tia, today Apple they revealed the Apple SE 3 and the iPad Air. But I want to start off with the iPad Air real quick and show everybody just something that just really bugs me as a Genshin. You guys know that, we play Genshin. She plays Genshin for sure, and we just had a big chuckle at this. So, Butterfly, could you explain to the people of YouTube why this is why this scene that Apple has made right here, why is it so dumb?
Alright, so for the uninitiated guys, Genshin Impact works on a premise, right? So you have these characters, and each character has their own element. We have Electro, which is electricity, Fire, which is ice, Wind, which is they call Animal, and then Geo, Earth. So you get the basic premise, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here we have Apple displaying 4 characters in their iPad. Now, the thing with this is that they're fighting what's called an electro boss, an electric boss. And all 4 characters that we have here right now, we have Yaimiko, we have Bao, or Raiden Shogun, we have the Traveler, and I believe that
Kaching. It's Kaching.
It's Kaching.
Yes.
All electro characters, and every single one of them have the electro element. And this particular boss is also electro, so electricity plus electricity equals 0.
Yes.
So it's basically no damage.
Yeah, in the video clip you can actually see immune. It doesn't do any damage. So I don't know who they thought of when who they hired to do this marketing for Apple, but it's really silly that they would just not even pay attention to this and have this, as their like gaming thing that they had on the, whatever. Also, the 5G element. So I think that they put into the iPad Air, they announced that it has 5G. They announced that the charging port is twice as fast. Whoop-de-doo. I'm sure, obviously, guys, it's going to be a nice product or whatever. You're going to have your Apple tax on there, which they're going to charge you more for, something that's similar to other products. If you'd like to talk a little bit about the iPhone SE3, Butterfly, what do you think about that?
So the iPhone SE3, let's see, give me a moment. Let me just pull up like their full promotional video.
Right. So I can kind of just tell people, it's pretty much the same kind of thing. 4.7-inch display. I mean, and it's got 5G. I think that a lot of this whole thing was kind of like we have 5G now, and they're gonna make people literally buy new phones just to get 5G, which is not even really that much of a difference at the moment, because it's not that widespread in the United States. There's a lot of areas that still don't have 5G coverage here in the United States. I mean, obviously in other countries or whatever, yeah, but So Butterfly, go ahead.
Looking at this, it's more on the iPhone SE is receiving just an upgrade. So basically, we get the new chip, well, semi-new chip, because we've already seen this in the iPhone 13. It's still an ARM A15 Bionic chip. It comes with 64, 128, 256 gigabyte options. Comes in 3 colors apparently: Midnight, Starlight, and Product Red, which wait, these are the same colors as the old ones.
Yep, they didn't get the new colors or whatever. The iPhone SE or the subpar edition, I call it. No, I'm just playing with you guys.
So apparently, Apple is claiming that there are quote unquote internal design upgrades with more efficient chip and whatnot, which will increase the battery life.
So they haven't even increased. They haven't even actually increased the battery size. They just say it's. Oh boy.
They're just saying like the new Apple chip is going to give it more battery life.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Wow, that's insane. So, but you got to think, if you have 5G running on this phone now, which is going to be a different antenna. You got the 4G antenna, then you got the 5G antenna. That's going to take more battery life already. So we're probably going to see, if they have it supposedly, incorporated in blah 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 in the chip. Yeah, you might get more battery life, but then that 5G is going to suck the battery life away. Don't you think?
Theoretically, it should, but I'm pretty sure it's still also going to like have a drawback. Like, Apple is famous for troubling performance for battery life, so like, I sincerely doubt that this A15 chip is going to perform as fast and as efficient as the one in the iPhone 13.
Yeah.
So since they're not obviously not increasing the battery, like the size of the battery, they're just gonna throttle your performance. You'll just have to pay for it by having the processor run at slower speeds than the iPhone 13.
True. And they just won't say anything about it. And the crazy thing about it is the graphic is that they show. It's like, oh, it's twice as fast as this. Oh, it's 3 times as fast as the iPhone 6. Well, yeah, you would think so. I would hope so, that something that's 5 or 6 years in the future is going to be twice or 3 times as fast. Like, I don't know.
And one thing I'm worried about is that they're doing the design. They're changing the design to be for the iPhone SE to be all glass. So, guys, be prepared for your iPhone SE to be shattered, because we all know everyone has this problem with the iPhone 13, wherein like the glass always breaks.
It's like, dude, it's like holding a bar of soap. It's crazy. It's like the thing just wants to fly out of your hands. But yeah, guys, I mean, at the end of the day, if you enjoy Apple products and you like what you saw in the promotion or whatever, don't take my word for it. Don't take me. I'm just a guy on the internet with some ideas. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and share it out. And please go ahead and subscribe to Black Butterfly. I'm going to have her link in the description, and follow her on Twitch as well. You won't regret it. See, anything else from you real quick?
No, nothing much. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, if you see me live on either YouTube or Twitch, whether I'm gaming or doing tech-related stuff, just drop by the chat, ask your questions, and you'll have an answer.
All right. Oh, do your famous outro for us.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you all again. Same bad time, same bad channel. Bye, everyone.